A sinus rinse, also known as nasal irrigation or nasal lavage, is a simple and effective technique used to cleanse and moisturize the nasal passages. It involves flushing a saline solution through the nasal passages to clear mucus, allergens, and other irritants. Now let's explore how it is done. There are many different devices available for nose rinsing, but they all essentially work the same way. Saltwater mixture is pushed into one nostril and out the other. As the fluid moves out of the nose, it washes out dust, pollen, and other debris, and also helps to loosen any thick mucus in the nasal passages that may be present.